Okay, let's see. Let's run the script. I need to, yeah, make it bigger so you can see all those things. Just follow my voice. You don't have to see all the video. Just where you find my voice, follow there. Yeah, just it find a it find like that. It's didn't find the pending button and it's a stop. Some of them are pending and some of them are actually ready to send messages. They are in my connection. So when first I find someone pending connected, then it's remove and trigger the connection, but it just stop and the error is raise exception message page element. Okay, that is the shuffle script, and let me run the send message script. What is it waiting for? Okay, maybe it's a stop already. Yes, some name error happened and people is not defined. So let me see your script. Let me see yours. So what is NP Poland? You know, your variable get complicated. So yeah, I have no idea why you write that code. Okay, so that is the error you already see, and now I am going to make a different approach, and you can see that things, and you can fix that things, and you can see that things. So the approach is I am going to create a repo, and uh, all those UNDP and IPS script actually work. So I am going to work with that things. So I am going to make that repo working. Please try to please, that is a LinkedIn cell automation repo, and we actually write lot of things here there, and leave all those things here. So in the new repo, you please frog it and give me the pull request, and uh, yeah, so that will be very helpful. And I'm going to address something new. I'm going to address something because all those script actually pretty much working. They have bugs, but they follow the logic actually. They are no, they don't have any logical errors. So yeah, let me do that. So yeah, that is my new repo. And here we have a readme file also. So yeah, I need to bring that two things first. So readme and requirement.txt. So the environment is ready. Now I am going to put those copyright things. Like it's a control alt s. So it is actually put all those things in front of the scripts, so you don't have to write that things again and again. Okay, let me copy. Yeah, you don't need to put that things and the version again and again. Now we are working with some different version. We have to, so it have to be version 1.2. And I need to put some author. and I want people to go to our GitHub link. So yeah, I want to put all those things here. Like that, so people can read that things and it have a clear, they have a clear understanding. And you have to actually apply the profile like that. Now I am going to test one by one script. So first one is save leads. I am going to create a package where I am going to say it's UNDP 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 Bangladesh lead automation. Yeah. Yeah. I don't think we don't need that last, and I don't think we don't need that also, so we need to correct that things. Yeah. And we don't need that, and before version we don't need that things also. So let me yeah, now it's okay. So in that save script, I'm going to copy all those things and I'm going to put that things and I'm going to explain actually how it's work, and I think it just work fine. We need to put some other things, which is the Chrome driver, and you always use user text to test your things, so I am going to put those two things also. Okay, and yeah, let me see the path of that script. Maybe yeah, it is different now. Okay, so let's run. So when it's work there, let me clarify something. So this is the save script and this is your work script, and I split that things. So there is fundamentally no difference between two. Everything is same. So let me show you. So what is the difference between that two script? So I run UNDP, it searches garment. That's not a good things. So yeah, let me work with that things first. It is a UNDP script. I think I copy it from here. In UNDP, no. Okay, what is the length? Length 36. So I am going to work with the new script, not the old one, but I am going to change some old parameter, like it have to be, it have to search UNDP, not garment, and what are the other things? It have to be put things in UNDP, and nothing else. Okay. So it is going to search UNDP, and I have no problem with that. And there is a fine option. You should put that things in the script. The option is pass lead activity. So if I remove the save leads, it's actually collect all the previously saved leads, because there is we already work with saved leads. I don't want to work it anymore. So yeah, people who want to share experience with me, I need them, and the geography have to be Bangladesh. Now it's fewer. So you need to put that things in the script. So it's already selected, and here I don't want to see any messages button and other button. It will be removed automatically. So people who want to share experience with me will be the important people. Or people who want to actually, so it is actually limited search, so it will help us to actually do something. So let's see. Shit, it's put people in the garment Bangladesh, so maybe it run the old script. So it's throw that error because let me show you why that throw that error. Oh shit. Yeah, no problem. Let me. So LinkedIn. So when I have all the leads, then it will not going to actually I have 1500 leads in my list, and that's why it's no longer taking the new leads. So that is very important for me to actually execute and understand those things. So it is already take all those leads. So for now I don't need all the garment connection, if I delete that things and I am done working with them. So yeah, so just delete it. And so yeah, delete them also. So basically I don't need any kind of extra things. I just need, I am going to work with IT firm and I am going to work with UNDP. But in garment businessman I have some connection already. We can send them message and message and message. So that will happen. So right now I am working with UNDP. Let's run the script. So now I can work with some new leads. That is the whole point of save leads. You understand, in some point after 7 days or 3-4 days, people who actually don't respond, I am going to delete the whole list. People who connect with me, I want to send them messages, and we write a script for that also. So now it's working. So yeah, I see it's work just fine. Let's go to the next script. So what is the next script? So next script is connect dot leads. So consistently we make the wrong spelling. So if you find some wrong spelling, just so connect leads. So what it will do, it sent people connect messages. So let me just do some other things. So both those scripts are 116 line long. I hope they are the same script. So first let me write it down. So new script. So it will be connect leads. Yeah, now it give us the copyright and all other things very nicely. So let actually copy the whole things, and we will delete the head section later. So yeah, so we don't need that 4 line, and everything is fine. Just we need to put that line. In there, I think. Yeah, it is. Yeah. So let's run it. Connect script. Make it bigger so we can see the error and other things. So UNDP have a very big list. We can send them connection messages, but somehow it didn't work like we expected. So after actually send them a connection, we didn't do anything because in hurry we need to send them just connection messages. There is a reason also. Why we have to do that things in hurry? Because that connection property have its own limitation. Connection property have its own limitation, and uh, we have to work with based on that button, you know, and we need to shuffle it. If we properly shuffle it, so we don't have to work with other button, we just have to work with the connection button actually. So it's a stop, I know, because it's a stop. It didn't find something in there. Okay, it didn't find. Let me compare that things first. So yeah, connect.py, and we need to split that things. So it seems yeah, how much line it is? 6 line is same, but the script have some change also. So till 22 lines there is no change, I think. Let's check the next 20, 44. Okay, I don't think any change in there. Password, I think check the next 46. 46. Yeah, but what is that? Okay, 46. Okay, I don't think there is any change. I don't think. So you can actually put that things. It's nice to see in that manner. There is no change actually. So yeah, 67 to 67. I don't find any changes. 67. See the for loops. Yeah, I don't see any changes. And 100 last one. So I don't see any changes, but the error is something like that, and it's actually start working, and then why it's it just have to find the uh, button, you know. You just have to find the connect button and send the messages, and if it is find the pending button like it have to go to the next. It don't have to save the leads, and don't have to do anything else. uh, it don't have to do anything, and it have to send the connection button till the ends, because there is some limitation in connection. If it didn't do that things in hurry, we will probably don't find that thing. So yeah, at some extent it's working, but focus on that. Why it's not working actually? So in my opinion, you change, you find lot of things and write lot of script for that, in that manner. You have to find the correct one. Maybe id, it's not a good things to find. Maybe they change the id after you do some searches or make some connection. They can do that thing, so find the right property to do that things. So yeah, I make that script for actually reversing that things, but I don't need that things. Right now I am going to work with the shuffling script. So yeah, both they have some. So it always shuffle the main list, not the unnecessary list. And yeah, so if connect script is work properly in a very good manner, shuffle script will also work in a good manner, because connect script stop in some extent. It sends some connection, but in some manner it stop actually. So after sending 3 4 sometimes 10 messages, it just stop. So if it is work properly, we just give a very good result with that shuffling script. Right now it's a pending message, and it's send that man to pending member list. Right now it's see a, yeah, so it do that things very well, but it have to do that things until the end. So right now it's find a connect message, it have to be ignored. You understand? They don't have to send the lead messages, because when they try to do that things, they messed up. We can in the connection script we can do that things. Yeah, and now it will it can be stopped. It can be, because yeah, I don't know why it is stopped. I'm not clicking anywhere, I am just touching my mouse. Yeah. So it have to be do that script, do the task in well manner, and it is not that much difficult, because it try to send messages and do other things That's why it stop. It have to be check if it is pending, it have to be shuffle it, and it have to be checked, it's already sent messages, it have to be shuffle it. And if it find there is no pending, there is a connection button, it have to be the work is done, then it have to be go to the connect leads again. You understand? Or it is in the end of that list. In that two case it's behave like that. So now I want to work with the last script, because when you have that connection, now you can send them messages. So what I want in the send messages button, send message work fine because the functionality is like that, find a things and send your messages. So send messages work fine, but after sending messages you always have to save that leads, save that connection in another list, because you don't want to send the same message again and again. And I don't want a subject in the send messages, because I want to ignore all those people uh, who actually uh, use my credit to actually. I want to connect already connected list. I want to send them message who already connected to me, because it is very important. Uh, so yeah, now we are working with the list where actually I have 4 UNDP connection. That is a very good list. Now, so it is pending. Okay, it is pending. So it's make mistake. Actually, I have just one people in that list. Maybe I can send him messages. So yeah, I want to remove them, and I want to UNDP pending member. Okay, people who actually don't respond uh, within within 7 days, they don't have the chance to actually make the response. Okay, I sent the wrong guy in the wrong place. Okay, so I don't have any connection. Yeah, so I have one connection. So yeah, if I try to find there, in my normal eyes there is a big list and the pagination is not work properly. So yeah, message received like that one. I need to find that person and add them to my UNDP connection. And I want a shuffling script can do that things. Shuffling script, if shuffling script work properly and do that things, I don't have the problem. And that guy, now I am shuffling manually. But yeah, lot of people actually send receive messages. They are not going to actually response with me in the first time, but if I send them messages uh, again and again, maybe they will start uh, making connection with me. And that is the whole idea. In the pending list there is lot of people who actually receive my message, lot of people, you know. So in that list, message sent, I think that person also uh, so yeah, if we shuffle that things very well, uh, the expected manner, uh, I try, we can send them very good connection. And we actually message sent there someone else, um, we actually, and probably within 7 days I will got lot of other connection also. Let's go to the third page. In the third page, fourth page, yeah, shuffling script have to be go very fast and check all those pending list and shuffle them to put them into another list. So now I have 10 UNDP connection and they are actually work in UNDP and I want that contract. They are working with different places also, and yeah, when we have some more connection, so if I send them messages I don't have to write the subject and I don't want them to send same message again and again. But let's test the send messages script. So I am in the UNDP connection and it is going to send them message. So after sending the message, after it will write a message. So it is the same message I send them, but I don't want to send them the same message. I'm going to stop. So after sending message, I want to add them in another list. In that case, in that case, I'm going to make a list. So send so send UNDP people second message. That will be the list. Huh? You see, now when I send them a message, I already send them message. I don't want them to be in that list. Yeah, there is the people is my UNDP connection, but so I need to actually reload because so I send them in that list. So like second people, yeah, I already send him two messages. I don't want to send him another messages. Oh, I don't want him to that list. So yeah, it will send them a message and put him in another list. You understand? So in that way I don't have to send them the same message again and again. So all the script work logically, and if we run one by one, it will bring us a very good result. I hope you understand that things, and it's work very well. So I am sharing that things in GitHub, and I want you to work with that repo and make the necessary development, because it's already almost done work, and the logic and the fundamentals work just fine. And it is actually a very nice script, in my opinion, what we done. So if I run a AI that can talk to those people, when we send messages, and that can create connection, that fundamental script actually bring actual lead automatically. So that is lot of data and lot of possibilities out there. So fundamentally we need to do that things in a very precise manner. uh, and I think you probably fix something in the previously. I don't think it's a very good fix, and it's throw some error also, and I think you actually make some hurry move. That's why it's behave like that. But all the thing is fine. You understand what I am explaining. I need to remove people from list after sending some sort of messages, and I also have to send them the messages. You didn't respond my last 3-4 messages. Maybe you don't want to contact me, but if you find time, let me know. I am not going to send you message anymore. That will be my last message if you don't send me response. So after saying that things, I need to remove him from list, because some leads will not going to land. If they send me message or something like that, I'll connect them. But and the last message, I'll put my mail address and the necessary information, so he can come back to me. So in that way, we within the limitation of LinkedIn will work. So it will push it things, and let me ready my ready the message I'm going to send you. Yeah, maybe it will come there, and I'll so so yeah, I think it's uploaded now. I think, yeah, that is the repo. And yeah, I just write that thing so you can do your things very quickly. Instruction, YouTube instruction. Here will here I will put the video link actually. So, yeah. Let me end it and